Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today we're going to solve another curious question, which is employee earning more than their managers. So it means like the employees earning more than their managers. That's what the question is saying. Okay, so the question is cool. So basically, what we're doing this question, we are given a table of employee, and we have like employee ID with their name and their salary and the manager ID as well. Okay, so that's the question is. That's all the question is. So let me just walk you through the table. So what the table is saying, like we have ID, okay, 1 and 2 3 and 4. Okay, the name of the employee is Joy Henry. Okay, and their salaries are 70,000, 80,000. Okay, this it can be, might be USD, INR, GBP, anything. Okay, don't look at the which currency they are earning. Okay, just look at their salary. Alright guys, so now what they're saying, like they have given the manager ID. So the Joe manager is Sam, and Henry manager is Max. Okay, so if you look 3 4 3 4, that's how. Okay, now what is saying is saying like Sam has the manager ID none, so it means like Sam is the senior manager, so it does not have any like more manager like that. Okay, so Sam is Sam and Max both are the senior managers. Okay, and they are manager of Joe and Henry. Alright guys, so using my SQL, we have to solve this question. So what I will do, I will just simply use Joe. There are lots of way to solve this question. So I will use the join one to solve this question. Okay, you can use subquery as well to solve this question. It's all up to you. Right, so I will use join one in this one. So I will just select a dot. I'll let's call it a or even anything. A dot name from the, because from the name. Okay, name as employee. Alright guys, now what I will do, I will use from employee a, because we are working on the employee table. We are working on the employee table. That's why I use employee. So employee a, employee as a, join employee as, I'll say as B. Alright, now what I will do, oh, what happened? Okay, now what I will do, I will say on manager a dot manager, let me call this a dot manager, a dot manager ID, which will be B dot ID. Okay, and I will calculate, like to calculate the salary, I have to find the maximum one. So for that, what I will do, I will just simply say, let's say my A dot salary is greater than my B dot salary. Okay, so if that's so, then it will return the maximum. Let me just run this code. Let's see, any is going very well, and compilation error, and here we go. So it's accepting very well. Okay, so that's all the question. The question is very simple. So basically, like, we are just comparing the maximum value, okay, from the employee table. Alright guys, let me just submit this question as well. Let's see. And okay, it's taking a little bit time. Okay, depend on your internet speed, and here we go. So it's accepting. So guys, I hope this question is crystal clear, like how we are dealing with this question. So ladies and gentlemen, if you still have any doubt, I will say just try to watch this video again. You will definitely gonna understand. That's all the videos. That's all the videos, believe me. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys. Believe me, I love you. Take care, bye bye.